I want to thank you, YouTube friends, for shining your light on me. Greetings and salutations, lovely people of YouTube universe. I am prepping again. I watched G-Quat about a week ago. Auntie Ellen, she made a broccoli potato soup. So I finally got all the ingredients that I need to make this soup, and I've made a large pot that I will be placing in containers to freeze, put some in the refrigerator, and to share with a few people. I didn't use all the same ingredients that she did. You know, I kind of conformed it to my own, but let me just show you. Can you see that? Oh, it's heavy. Let me take the camera down. It'll be a little easier. Turn the light on. So I have in mind carrots. The vegetables I have are carrots, potatoes, broccoli, garlic, and onions. I sauteed the onions in real butter, and then I added 2 blocks of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream. I added some cheddar cheese, and what else? Oh, I used the coconut milk. And then, of course, added water and more coconut milk. And then I added my spices. I used onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper. I believe that's it. Oh, Celtic sea salt to taste. And when I eat mine, I tap on a little bit of hot pepper, crushed pepper, ground pepper that I got from the garden. So I'm just going to start loading this up into these containers. I got a few left. Should be enough. I got these from where? Can't think of the name of the place. Not Sam's Club. I'll put it in the, I'll scroll it across. I can't think of it right now. So this is all I'm going to do. And I'm not going to fill them all the way up so that when I put them in the freezer, they have space to expand. Although I am going to put a couple of these. And it's still warm. It's not cooled off yet. So I'm going to have to leave them with the tops off so that they can cool. I think that's enough. Give it enough room to expand for the freezer. And let's see if I have enough containers. I don't know. But I had a bowl already. Excuse me. I had a bowl already, and it is absolutely delicious. But after I fill these up, I'm going to have another bowl because that was for lunch, and it is evening time. Oh, there's a lot of broccoli in that one. It's dark in here. Can you see that? So I'll do a couple more of these, and then I'm going to warm some up and share this broccoli potato soup with you. Real hearty, nice and filling, and good for this cold weather. I'll be back. So, I ended up with 10 of these, and these are 16 ounces. 10 of those, and then 2 of, I don't know what this is, it's a little bit larger, 2 of these. They're still a little warm, so I'm not going to put the tops on yet. So, I will be sharing for my sister and her husband, 755 Media and Sissy Accessory. And then the 2 larger ones, one is for my brother Jeffrey, and the other one is for my friend. So that leaves what? A few of them left for me to put in, a couple in the refrigerator, a couple in the freezer. And, of course, you know, I'm having some now. So I warmed up a bowl. Look at that, look at that. And what I do is add a little bit of cayenne pepper. And this is from cayenne peppers from my garden that I dehydrated. Gotta have a little spice, a little spice. I got pepper in here, but it's just not enough for me. And then onions from my windowsill. I always put green onions in my soup. Cut those up. And what I will do is give you a bite first, see if you like it. And then I'm going to chow down. It's very filling. I don't use crackers or anything. I just eat the soup. Okay, let's get you some broccoli and onions, potatoes, and carrots. Here you go. Enjoy. Okay. Now let me taste test this for you. And I want broccoli, carrots, potatoes, and onions. And did I say I put cheese in here? I did. I put cheddar cheese along with the cream cheese. That's what's dripping right there. I was almost eating my hair. It's so delicious. So good. I'm about to sit on the couch, turn YouTube on, get out in them streets and see what's going on. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you once again, Auntie Ellen, for your inspiration. I didn't do it quite like yours, but it doesn't matter. It is broccoli potato soup. Enjoy your evening. Happy holidays, everyone. Love ya. Toodles. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.